welcome to another video. In this video we show you how to show detailed Salesforce data based on chart attributes. This is a new feature and it's a really cool one. So if I go to plus and drag, let's say, a chart over, and in this chart what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring opportunity. I'll click next, and we're not going to set a condition here, but we will say slice it by stage, and then the count is the opportunity ID. So here we are, we got a nice little chart, so I'm just going to maximize this a little bit so you can see it. Click save, click preview. Alright, so we got some data. You can see that we got opportunities, 14 of them prospecting, 1 closed one analysis, and 4 perception analysis. Now, what if I wanted to actually dive into those opportunities in detail? How would I do that? So we got this functionality in Titan Web now for charts called chart details over here. So first thing, switch it on. Second thing, you can now bring the details, multiple details. So, but you need to add what we call conditional. So in this case, it will be stage equals, because stage is my main driver here, and it will be chart selected. That's the key component here. So whatever, obviously the data type must match. So if in the chart selected was opportunity ID, I would choose opportunity ID. So stage equals chart selected, click next. And then I want to bring stuff like opportunity name, stage, and then amount. All right, so now I've got it working, and it's all set up. This will come up in a modal, and the modal would look like this. I'm just going to change the background color here to be completely white. So let's do that. All right, and now let me show you how this works. So here we are. So let's say I click on this. Look at that, it loads up a little modal for you and shows you all the opportunities that are prospecting. Let's say now I want to see perception analysis. I can see all the opportunities that are perception analysis. If I wanted to click need analysis, I can see all needs analysis. And if I wanted to see closed one, closed one. So as I said, that's what I've done here, and the condition was very, very simple to do, because here I've sliced by x equals stage and y-axis equals opportunity ID. So whatever, when I say selected, what the selected is going to look at is this. It won't look at the opportunity ID, it will look at the stage. So based on that, I basically said switch on my chart details, and my conditional logic is opportunity and chart stage equals chart selected. What if I do opportunity ID equals chart selected? Could that work? Well, let's have a look. Same thing here. I'm just going to go set for a preview. I click on prospecting. It won't work because that is not the primary trigger here. Remember when I set this up, my primary trigger here is sliced by X, which is the stage. That's why that didn't work. It's not really sliced by opportunity ID, it's sliced by stage. So when it's sliced by stage, in here, the best condition to really write is this. If it's sliced by stage, you do stage equals selected, and that's going to go ahead and work for you. But what if you didn't want to bring it in a modal and you wanted to bring it in some other way? It's totally possible also. Switch off your chart details, click save. Let's say we bring a power table. All right, here we are. So again, same thing. I'm going to bring opportunity. I'm going to say next. Same thing here. Stage equals field and say chart selected. And same thing again. I'm going to bring back name, amount, and type. Actually, we can put stage here. Alright, so it's done and it's here. One of the things I'm going to obviously change is I'm going to run it on auto trigger, so it runs based off my value selected. So go to Salesforce, click on this bad boy here, and we'll set it to auto trigger. Apply, close, save. Right, so same thing now, but rather than a modal, I've got this nice table on the right hand side which is going to fire based off my selection here. So there you go, all the stuff coming in. If I select prospecting, perception analysis, needs analysis, close one, every detail is coming in here. And it will look really, really nice if you go ahead and set up a portal or something. And you've got two ways of displaying this data to your customer where they get deep dive into it and have a look. So just to reiterate, in the chart, when you set it up, no matter what chart it is, you'll have chart details available. You can either switch it on to bring it through modal, or you can do it through table like I did just right now.